Assalamu alaikum. So in this short tutorial we will learn how to deploy for Android platform in Unity. The first step that you need to install the relevant Android tool into your Unity version. So go to Unity Hub and uninstall. Make sure that version you are using for working on Android need to add this Android module. So if not added already, need to go to setting tab button and click add modules button. Here make sure that under platform you have Android OpenJDK and Android SDK and DK tools are installed. So after the installation, just create your project and then go to your file and build setting. I have this sample scene available. Let make sure it's safe, and we have very simple scene with this some settings. So now go to another file, build setting. uh, After the installation of Android tool, this icon will be visible to you. If it's gray out like this iOS, then it means that the Android tools are not properly installed. So make sure that all the tools are installed like I described in the first step. So now here just go click on this switch platform. It will take some time to convert your project to Android. It depends on your project volume. So I have nothing in this project, so it will work quickly. Now there are some kind of script in compilation on and are not unable to build this. Let's wait for that. Oh, okay, fine. Now our scene is perfectly our project is converted to Android. Let's add this sample scene, just build it. Make a new folder for the build. So the good part is that the build successfully deployed to the APK, but it will maybe not run on the Android device. The reason it will may not run on your device because you did not enable the unknown sources. So as the comment is suggested, you have to enable unknown apps. If you have Android device with 8.0 or above, you should need to allow install unknown apps. And if you have 7.1 or less Android version, then you need to check mark the unknown sources system, so then your app will run. So thank you for watching.